Hello everyone. In this question, which was asked in GATE DA 2024 exam, and if you can see here, the matrix was given two-dimensional matrix. The matrices look like this. The first row 2 and -1. The second row is 3 and 1. And the question was asked which one of the following statement is true. So first one is the eigenvalue of n are non-negative and real. The second option is the eigenvalue of M are complex conjugate pairs. The option C is one eigenvalue of n M is positive and real and another eigenvalue of M is 0. And the D option is one eigenvalue of n M is non-negative and real and another eigenvalue of M is negative and real. So obviously, to answer this question, we must have to figure out what is the eigenvalue for this, right? So let's try to solve. So in order to solve the eigenvalue, right, you know that the eigenvalue of, or you can say that the eigenvalue which we can represent as lambda of a matrix found by solving the characteristic equation, right? And the characteristic equation could be like m minus lambda I equal to 0, right? This is the characteristic equation. And if I try to solve it, basically the determinant of this characteristic equation. So determinant of m minus lambda I should be 0, right? So I need to just write like this m minus lambda I. We need to calculate the value of this. Thereafter we can go with the determinant part. So m minus lambda I, right? So if you will see on the matrix, which is very simple, 2 minus 1, 3 and 1, right? So if I try, I can simply write it like this. Uh, 2 minus lambda. Here is minus 1 as it is. Here is 3 as it is. And on this diagonal part, 1 minus lambda, right? So 2 minus lambda and 1 minus lambda. After that, if you can see that after writing that, next I need to calculate the determinant. That is the determinant of m minus lambda of I. And if I will try to calculate it, then it should be like 2 minus lambda minus 1, 3, 1 minus lambda. As of now, write it like this and just try to solve it. So I can write it like determinant of m minus lambda of I equal to 2 minus lambda, and I will multiply with 1 minus lambda, obviously, and after that minus that is minus 1 into this 3, correct? After this, if you are trying to solve this, it would be like 2 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, minus 3 and minus minus. So it become plus 3. And if I will multiply this 2 and it would be minus lambda and it would be minus 2 lambda and minus minus is plus. So plus lambda square plus 3. So at the end, the equation that I am getting here is 2 plus 3 is 5. So I can just write it like this. So basically, we can write 3 plus 2 minus 3 lambda plus lambda square. Or I can write it like lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 5, right? And that is what it is the value of this determinant m minus lambda I. I need to make equivalent to this 0. So to find the root, basically, the characteristic equation will look like this, right? Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and for the quadratic equation, there is a formula that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is for solving the roots of this quadratic equation. Here, if you will match it, the value of a is 1, that is no coefficient, so it is 1. The value of b is minus 3 and the value of C is 5, right? Now just substitute the values in this equation. So you will get the lambda equal to 3 plus minus under root minus b square. So b square, so minus 3 ka whole square, that is b is minus 3, that is why. And minus 4 into a into c. Divide by 2 into a, that is 2 into 1, right? So it will be like 3 plus minus 3 minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 5 4 that 20, and divide by 2. So I will get 3 plus under root minus 11 I am getting here, right? And that is 2. And one more solution that I am getting is 3 minus under root minus 11, 2. So it is minus under root, it is minus. So if it is minus means the eigenvalue are complex. So I can write it like 3 plus iota of 11 divided by 2. Other value is 3 minus iota of under root 11, 2. So basically it is the these are our eigenvalues, and these eigenvalues are complex conjugate pairs. They are complex and conjugate pairs, isn't it? They are complex and conjugate pairs, plus minus, right? So option B is the correct answer for this gate question, right? So I hope the question is clear. Subscribe the channel for more MCQs and PYQ of gate, computer science and data science and AI exam. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.